give me an update. What's happening?
Yeah, after the laser treatment last week, I'm feeling tremendous update and tremendous relaxation, and the pain is somewhat less compared to the earlier weeks.
Which area of the body?
Yeah, the completely right side of the body.
So show me where that pain, because you were in a lot of discomfort, weren't you? Where were you feeling that pain?
Yeah, when I used to turn the neck and when I used to turn like this, it's extremely painful.
Yes.
But now it's acceptable.
So what level of pain was it out of 10 before? 0 to... Serious?
Yeah.
It was that painful for you?
Now I can say it's reduced to 7 or 6.
And that's after one laser
Yeah. Exactly.
treatment.
Exactly.
And it didn't take long, did it? And,
Yeah, we just did for 15 minutes, I guess.
Very positive. And so you're saying it's gone down to a 6 or a 7 now.
Exactly, yeah.
And how long had it been at that high level of pain? How long had you been suffering with that?
It's been on and off. Like sometimes it will be there for 2 to 3 days and it will be off for 2 to 3 days. Sometimes it will last for weeks.
I'm saying, but how long had you been suffering? Like how long?
This is from past 6 years.
Past 6 years?
Exactly, yeah.
Every 2 to 3 days, like you notice this.
Yeah.
And it would give you more trouble, especially when turning your neck.
Exactly, turning and bending.
And it's a really high level of pain. And you're saying already, so 6 or 7, so that's about 40% difference?
Yeah,
is that
I
you?
can see the difference of at least 35 to 40%.
So what would you say to somebody? I mean, if somebody came and they had a neck issue like you had, but they were unsure about coming here, or
I
they
really recommend them to just come and consult you and opt for the treatment, and hopefully, inshallah, they'll get cured.
well, inshallah, that's what we want for everybody.
Yeah.
Each case is different, but we want to, at least you'd advise them to come and get checked, right? You know, good. Positive so far for you, huh? Good.